How to fix can't receive text messages in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear message app cache. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search messages app. Now click on messages app. Scroll down, click on storage at cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages app will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now this is how you can fix can't receive text messages in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.